Mmm. Did you see that cheese pull? Look at it. I'm continuing my series on using over my leftovers from Thanksgiving and recreating them into light meals. So what we're making today is a Zuppa Formaggio. It's just cheese soup. Let's get started. In my stock pot, I have the heat on, and I'm just gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm gonna add in 1 diced onion and saute that for a minute. To my onion, I'm gonna add in 2 cloves of minced garlic. And we're just gonna saute that until you can start to smell the garlic, about a minute or so. I'm gonna add in some salt. Not too much salt, because again, this is cheese soup and the cheese has salt in it. Some black pepper. Now I'm gonna add in some leftover broccoli and cauliflower that I had from my veggie platter. Okay, now that our veggies have softened a little bit, can you see them? I'm going to add in 4 cups of chicken broth. And I'm going to add in 2 cups of water. And we're going to bring this to a boil. Okay, now that our soup is at a boil, we're going to add in 2 cups of stale bread that I just cubed up. That's going to give our soup some body, and it's going to thicken it up a bit. And you're just going to mix that up until the bread is absorbed into the broth. Once the bread has absorbed into the broth, you can see it here, you can go one of 2 ways with this. You can either A, leave it as is, which is what I do. This is the way we've always eaten it. Or you can put an immersion blender or a stand-up blender, and you can blend it and smooth it out if you like. I like the rusticness of this, so I leave it just the way it is. So now I'm going to add in about a cup of Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese that I grated up, and then I'm going to add in about a cup of the leftover cheese from my Antipasto board. Now what you want to do at this point is kill the heat. Shut it off and mix in your cheese. You don't need any more heat to melt this cheese. It's going to melt on its own from the residual heat of the broth. If you've ever had a cheese dish like a mac and cheese or a cheese, maybe a broccoli cheddar soup, and it tasted gritty or grainy, it's because the cheese was cooked at too high of a temperature and it essentially overcooked the cheese. And we don't want that. We want this to be silky and velvety. Add in the rest of the cheese. And guys, this is how quickly this soup comes together. And you can use any cheeses you want. You can use any blend of cheese. Like I said, we're trying to use up our Thanksgiving leftovers in a unique and light way. Okay, she's all done. Isn't it beautiful? Now let's plate it up and taste it. Our soup is done. Look at that. Doesn't it look delicious? Look at the texture of that. It's steaming, piping hot too. But that's okay, because for you guys, I'm about to burn myself. Mmm. Did you see that cheese pull? Look at it. That is so, so good. This is even better the next day. And I don't know where you're from, but I'm from New York, and it's going to be a snow day tomorrow. So let this come to room temperature. Put it in the refrigerator, let it sit overnight, and tomorrow for lunch, have this with maybe some grilled up Italian bread and butter for dipping. Oh my God, it's going to be so good. Although I don't know if it's going to last that long, because I might eat it all. That came together in literally 10 minutes. You can make this We are using our leftovers. We want nothing to go to waste, and this tastes nothing like an antipasto board. So guys, if you want the recipe for this soup, just comment recipe in the comment box below this video, and I'll make sure to send it to your DM. Thank you so much for watching La Dolce Vita Kelly style.